you're looking to keep cool, this BLAUX personal cooling fan might just be the option for you. First off, it's so nice looking. It's got the gold trim, a nice white face. It's got the red filter inside. So the way this works is it's a USB powered. There's a USB-C plug on the back here. Just plug that into any USB power. Once it powers up, it sort of cycles through everything. When you turn it on, it's going to go to the 3 fan settings, high, medium, and low. You can turn on the circulating cooler, and then you can have a light show. What's cool is you turn it on, and it'll start to cycle through the lights. And when you find a color of the light that you like this orange color, click it again, and it'll lock into that color and stay there. Now this cooling fan up front, you can pull this front part out, take this part out, soak it in water, and then put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. And this is going to make this cooler very cold. And now it'll blow air past that heater, releasing all the heat from the air as it blows through. Additionally, you can fill this top part with water, which is going to look cool with the light show, but it's also going to then trickle water over the cooling fan and give you an evaporative cooling situation very quietly, very compactly. Hope this helps.